Hi, today Ask F5 shows you how to configure a BIG-IP LTM virtual server to load balance Google Remote Procedure Call or gRPC traffic using the configuration utility. Before beginning, make sure that you meet the following prerequisites. You have a gRPC client and server that work directly without the BIG-IP system, and you have administrator access to the BIG-IP configuration utility. In this demo, we'll perform the following steps. 1. Create a pool for your gRPC servers. 2. Create client and server SSL profiles with renegotiation disabled. 3. Create a virtual server, assign the pool and SSL profiles to it, and then enable the HTTP MRF router. To create a pool for the gRPC servers, log into the configuration utility, go to Local Traffic, Pools, select Create. Enter a name for the pool. Select an appropriate health monitor and move it to active. Note, depending on your gRPC server, there may be special considerations about which health monitor you select. For detailed information, refer to this article linked below. Under Resources, create a new node using your first gRPC server. Add the node name, address, and service port. Select Add to add the pool member. Repeat this step for each of your remaining gRPC servers. When you're finished adding the pool members, select Finished. Next, create client and server SSL profiles with renegotiation disabled. To do so, log into the configuration utility, go to Local Traffic, Profiles, SSL, Client. Select Create. Name the profile. Set configuration to Advanced, and then select the Custom checkbox and clear the renegotiation checkbox to disable that parameter. Configure other settings as needed, and then select Finished. Repeat the process for the SSL server profile by going to Local Traffic, Profiles, SSL, Server. Next, create the virtual server that will load balance the gRPC traffic. To do so, log into the configuration utility, go to Local Traffic, Virtual Servers. Select Create. Enter an appropriate name for the virtual server. For destination address mask, enter a private IP address that is accessible from the gRPC client. For service port, enter the TLS-enabled port you want to use for gRPC traffic. For HTTP profile client, select HTTP. For SSL profile client, select the client SSL profile you created in the available list and move it to selected. Do the same for the SSL profile server. For source address translation, select AutoMap. For default pool, select the pool you created for your gRPC servers. For HTTP2 profile client, select HTTP2 or another HTTP2 client profile that has the enforced TLS requirements parameter enabled. Do the same for HTTP2 profile server. For HTTP MRF router, select the checkbox to enable it. After you've finished entering the virtual server configuration, select Finished. That's it. If you have questions or comments, please send us an email. Thanks for watching.